Dear students, in this session we are going to continue solving previous year JEE main questions. For n theta belongs to pi by 4 comma pi by 2, the expression 3 into sin theta minus cos theta whole power 4 plus 6 into sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus 4 sin power 6 theta equals 13 minus 4 cos square theta plus 6 sin square theta cos square theta. 13 minus 4 cos power 6 theta. 13 minus 4 cos power 4 theta plus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Option D. 13 minus 4 cos square theta 6 cos power 4 theta. Three sin theta minus cos whole power 4 plus 6 sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus 4 pi sin power 6 theta. 3 into sin theta minus cos theta the whole square plus 6 into sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 4 into sin square theta the whole cube. 3 into sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta the whole square 6 into 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 4 into 1 minus cos square theta the whole cube. Three into 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta whole square 6 plus 12 sin theta cos theta 4 into 1 minus 3 cos square theta plus 3 cos power 4 theta minus cos power 6 theta. 3 into 1 plus 4 sin square theta cos square theta minus 4 sin theta cos theta plus 6 plus 12 sin theta cos theta plus 4 minus 12 cos square theta plus 12 cos for 4 theta minus 12 sin theta plus 6 plus 12 sin theta cos theta plus 4 minus 12 A square B square minus 2AB, it's okay. Then 4 minus 12 cos square, 12 cos per 4 4 12 cos to 4 cos per 6 theta. Three plus 12 sin square theta cos square theta minus 12 sin theta cos theta plus 6 plus 12 sin theta cos theta plus 4 minus 12 cos square theta plus 12 cos per theta minus 4 cos per 6 theta. This time will be cancelled. Equal to 3 plus 12 into 1 minus cos squared into cos squared plus 6 plus 4 minus 12 cos squared theta plus 12 cos per 4 theta minus 4 cos per 6 theta. Three plus 12 cos square theta minus 12 cos per 4 theta plus 10 minus 12 cos square theta plus 12 cos per 4 theta minus 4 cos per 6 theta plus 12 cos square minus 12 cos square minus 12 cos plus 12 cos per 4. 3 plus 10 13 minus 4 cos per 6 theta. So option B is correct in this case. If 0 less than equal to x less than pi by 2, then the number of values of x for which sin x minus sin 2x plus sin 3x equal to 0 is sin x minus sin 2x plus sin 3x equal to 0. Sin 3x plus sin x minus sin 2x equal to 0. We have one formula, sin c plus sin d equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Using this 2 sin 3x plus x 4x by 2 just 2x, then cos 3x minus x 2x by 2, that is cos x minus sin 2x equal 0. Sin 2x into 2 cos x minus 1 equal to 0. Sin 2x equal 0. 2 cos x minus 1 equal to 0. Two x equal to n pi, cos x equal to here 1 by 2, here x equal to n by 2, n belongs to I, this is integers, this is equal to cos 60, cos theta equal to cos alpha, theta equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, or 2k pi plus or minus alpha, k belongs to I. So n equal to 0 implies x equal to 0. If you take n equal to pi by 2, so pi by 2 is not included. K equal to 0 implies x equal to pi by 3, one of the answer. So x equal to 0 comma pi by 3 belongs to 0 comma open into pi by 2 close interval 0. So two values. Option C is correct. The sum of all values of theta belongs to 0 comma pi by 2 satisfying sin square 2 theta plus cos per 4 2 theta equal to 3 by 4 is A equal to pi, B equal to 3 pi by 8, C 5 by 4 pi by 2. Sin square 2 theta plus cos per 4 theta equal to 3 by 4. That is, this can be written as 1 minus cos square 2 theta plus cos per 4 2 theta equal to 3 by 4. Multiply 4 throughout. 4 minus 4 cos square 2 theta plus 4 cos per 4 2 theta equal to 3. 4 cos per 4 2 cos per 4 2 theta minus 4 cos square 2 theta minus 1 equal to 0. Two cos 2 theta minus 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1 whole square equal to 0. A squared B squared minus 2AB, which implies 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1 equal to 0. Cos square 2 theta equal to 1 by 2 equal to 1 by root 2 whole square, that is equal to cos square by 4. Cos square theta equal to cos square alpha. Theta equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. We have formula, which implies 2 theta equal to n pi plus or minus alpha, that is pi by 4. Theta equal to n pi by 2 plus or minus pi by 8. N belongs to I. If you take n equal 0, for n equal 0, theta equal to pi by 8. N equal to 1, theta equal to pi by 2. Suppose you can take plus or minus pi by 8, I take minus pi by 8. 4 pi minus pi by 8. We have option 3 pi by 8. Theta belongs to, we cannot take pi by 2 plus. So theta equal to pi by 8 comma 3 by 8. Sum of solutions: pi by 8, 3 pi by 8, 4 pi by 8 equal to pi by 2. So option D is correct. Consider a triangular plot ABC with sides AB 7 centimeter, so 7 meter, BC 5 meter and CA 6 meter. The vertical lamp post in the midpoint D of AC subtends an angle 30° at B. The height of the lamp post is so D is the midpoint. AB is a triangular plot. The lamp post is fixed. This is 90°. This is 30°. H be the height of the lamp post. Yes, 7 meter, 6 meter. This is 5 meter. DE height of the lamp post h 4 meter, h meter. In triangle BDE, cot 30 degree is equal to BD by DE. This is root 3 BD by H. BD equal to H root 3. BD is the triangle, middle of triangle ABC. Surely this area should be the same. We have one result. If BD is the median, sum of squares of adjacent sides, that is equal to twice. There is one triangle, that is AD square plus BD square. So which implies AB square 7 square, BC square 5 square equal twice AD square. So this is 3, this is 3. 3 square plus root 3H whole square. (74 by 2) equal to 9 plus 3H square. 37 minus 9 equal to 3H square. H square equal to 28 by 3. 84 by 9. H equal to root 84 by 3. So 2 by root 3, root 21 meter. The usual notation in triangle ABC, if angle A plus angle B equal to 120 degree, A equal root 3 plus 1, B equal root 3 minus 1. Then the ratio Angle A is angle B is 3:1, 5:3, 9:7. Angle A plus angle B equal to 120 degree, which implies angle C equal to 60 degree. So tan A minus B equal to A minus B by A plus B cot C by 2, which implies tan A minus B by 2 equal to A, that is A B C, A B C. Here A equal to root 3 plus 1, B equal to root 3 minus 1 is equal to 60 degree. Sum of two angles 120, therefore third angle obviously 60. So root 3 plus 1 minus root 3 plus 1 plus root 3 minus 1 cot 60 by 2. Minus root 3 plus root 3 cancelled. 2 by 2 root 3 into cot 30. This will be cancelled. Root 3 by root 3 equal to 1. That is tan 45 degree, which implies A minus B by 2 equal to 45 degree. So angle A plus minus angle B equal to 90 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle A minus angle B equal to 120 plus 90. This will be cancelled. Twice angle A equal to 110. Angle A equal to 105 degree. Angle A plus angle B equal to 120, which implies angle B equal to 120 minus 105 equal to 15 degree. So A is 7 times of B. So angle A is to angle B equal to 105 degree is to 15 degree equal to 7 is to 1. The value of cos pi by 2 squared, cos pi by 2 cube up to cos pi by 2 power 10 into sin pi by 2 power 10 is 1 by 512, 1 by 256, 1 by 2, 1 by 1024. You rearrange sin pi by 2 power 10, the cos pi by 2 power 10, cos pi by 2 power 9, etc. cos pi by 2 squared. Reverse order I have written. One by 2 into 2 sin pi by 2 power 10 into cos pi by 2 power 10. The cos pi by 2 power 9 up to cos pi by 2 power squared. Sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. That's a multiple and dividing by 2. 1 by 2 sin 2 into pi by 2 power 10 cos pi by 2 power 9 cos pi by 2 power 8 up to cos pi by 2 squared. So 1 by 2 into sin pi by 2 power 9 cos pi by 2 power 9 cos pi by 2 power 8 cos pi by 2 squared. One by 4 into or 1 by 2 squared into 2 into sin pi by 2 power 9 cos pi by 2 power 9, again multiply and dividing by 2 into cos pi by 2 power 8 up to cos pi by 2 squared. Again applying the same formula, 1 by 2 squared sin 2 into pi by 2 power 9 into cos pi by 2 power 8 up to cos pi by 2 squared. So 1 by 2 squared sin pi by 2 power 8 cos pi by 2 power 8 cos pi by 2 squared. After reducing 2 times, sin pi by 2 power 9 has become sin 2 power 8. Here we have 2 squared. Proceeding like this 9 times, when we have tan 2 power 9, if we reduce further 7 times, we have 2 squared into 2 power 7, 2 power 9. Here we will have sin pi by 2. That is equal to 1 by, this is equal to 1. 1 by 512. In a triangle, the sum of lengths of two sides is x. And the product of the lengths of the same two sides is y. If x square minus c square equal to y, where c is the length of the third side of the triangle, then the circumradius of the triangle is 4 by root 3 c by 3 c by root 3 3 by 2y. Let's A comma B or A and B be two sides of the triangle. A plus B equal to x, AB equal to y. X square minus c square equal to y, that is given. A plus b whole square minus c square equal to AB. A square plus b square plus 2ab minus c square equal to AB. A square plus b square minus c square equal to minus AB. A square plus b square minus c square by AB equal to minus 1. A square plus b square minus c square by 2ab equal to minus 1 by 2. Which implies cos A, using cosine formula, cos A equal to minus 1 by 2, that is cos 2 pi by 3. So angle C equal to 2 pi by 3. Let R be the circumradius of the triangle. R equal to C by 2 sin C. C by 2 sin. We have one result, R equal to C by 2 sin C. C by sin C equal to R. So R equal to C by 2 sin C. C by 2, that is root 3 by 2 equal to C by root 3. Let fkfx equal to 1 by k sin per kx plus cos per kx, k equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. Then all x belongs to R. The value of f4 of x minus fc of x is equal to 5 by 12, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 12, that is 1 by 12. You need f4 of x minus f6 of x equal to 1 by 4 sin per 4x plus cos per 4x minus 1 by 6 sin per 6x plus cos per 6x, 1 by 4 sin square x whole square plus cos square whole square minus 1 by 6 into sin square x the whole cube cos square x whole cube. So a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. A square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. 1 by 4 into sin square x plus cos whole square minus twice sin square x cos square x minus 1 by 6 into a cubed plus b cubed. A plus b sin square x plus cos whole cube minus 3 into sin square x cos square x into sin square x plus cos square x. So a cubed plus b cubed equal to a plus b whole cubed minus 3ab into a plus. We have used this identity here. So 1 by 4 into this is equal to 1. This is 1. 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x minus 1 by 6. This is equal to 1. 1 minus this is equal to 1. Three sin square x cos square x. One by 4 1 minus 1 by 2 into 4 sin square x into cos square x minus 1 by 6 1 minus 3 by 4 into cos square x. Yeah, 2 sin x cos x whole square 1 minus 3 by 4 2 sin x cos x the whole square. We have sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. One minus 1 by 2 sin 2x whole square minus 1 by 6 sin 2x whole square. One by 4 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 sin square 2x 1 by 6 into 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square 2x 1 by 4 minus 1 by 8 sin square x minus 1 by 6 plus 3 by 24 sin square 2x. One by 4 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 8 sin square 2x plus 1 by 8 sin square 2x. This will be cancelled. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. Taking 12 as LCM, 3 minus 2, that is 1 by 12. Option D is correct. So still we have to discuss few more sums. What we discussed, around 40 sums have been discussed so far, or have been asked in previous years. We have more formulae in this chapter. You go through all formulae, then only you will be in the better position solving these kind of sums. We will continue in the next session. Thank you.